2024 is the next trading day, next week. At least we will be in 2024 for the next trading day. So 2023, what a year. Most of the stuff is up quite good, but we will look into the ETFs and how they have performed this year. A bit of technicals, but I'm guessing just an overall view of all the ETFs that I have. If you want to have more in, please comment below. I can add it in for videos to come. So this will be like a yearly close for the ETFs. Which one did well, which one did do so well. But let's dive into the stuff here without any further ado. So yeah, the GDX, we will be on the weekly. We still haven't taken out that long-term golden trend line. Boo-hoo, but it will come in my view. However, the performance for this year is what? Let's see where we are on time. Up. Whoa, we are up 10% actually for the GDX. And not the best performer, but I'll take it. I'll take it. GDXJ looks better. That golden trend line, in my view, is very close to break, and we are fighting that. Let's call it $40 level right here. When we take that one out, the juniors, gold miners, is ready to blast. Performance for this year is actually down 5%. So basically a year of nothing. But when we break 40, taking out the golden and the horizontal at the 40, in my view, gold miners are ready to join gold for higher prices in 2024. Silver miners, let's just first do how much we ended up or down. Basically flat for the year. You can see more or less 0%. However, the price action is very important. Breaking out here, retesting that golden rail. 2024 looks really, really, really good. As long as we can take out the breakout high at roughly 30, this is a breakout retest assumption. And if that is the case, silver miners, as well as gold miners will do very well. No doubt about it if we hold here. The juniors for silver. First, the scoreboard. Let's see where we are in time. We are down roughly 10%. Okay, but definitely we are trying to poke again that golden rail for the fourth time, really. You can see here, golden trend line, bull flagging just above. In my view, that's the route. I have very high hopes for gold and silver in 2024. The silver miners will follow. URA, our beloved uranium sector, hated. For some reason, I have absolutely no idea. They're not performing well enough. I don't know, but we're up 40% for the URA. Also note here that long-term red resistance. That is why we are stalling. When we take out that big bad boy right here, you can see it as clear as day. When it's taken out, getting above roughly 30, 31, game on URA for the big leg 3 up. It has started, but definitely that's the one to break before we continue. And again, I have high hopes for uranium during 2024. No doubt about it. Same thing again here, flirting with the highs of 2021. The scoreboard is we are up roughly 50%. Beautiful. What a year. Wave 3 has started. We're just fighting the triangle high. It should break, early or in the mid of 2024. But overall, uranium looks really, really good. URNJ, same thing. Where are we? Well, actually, we're more or less at the IPO open, so nothing there, but still long-term bullish squeeze is holding up. Yes, it's not a bearish wedge in the bull flag here as we speak. If it holds, we are going way higher very quickly if this bull flag resolves to the upside. So beautiful lithium, good old lithium long-term. I want to show you the stuff right here. That was the rising wedge. That was your exit in 2021. Where are we in 2023? We are down 12%, give or take. We are still below here. You can see we're actually retesting it now. But I could argue that this could be a false breakdown here. We are holding the 2010 highs. So definitely want to watch here. If we start to curl back in, you could be looking for longs at that moment in time. I'm very, very bullish Brazil. Brazil, again, breaking out here, confirming the breakout. I mean, it just looks fantastic. What have we done here for 2023? Let's have a look-see. Let's have a look-see. Let's have a look-see. We are roughly right here. We are up 18%. That is extremely, that's a lot for a big ETF. So beautiful. And we have broken out long-term. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. No doubt about it here. NVIDIA, I know it's not an ETF, but it has been in this section for a long time. So it is what it is. And we should be looking at big numbers for NVIDIA. 250% for NVIDIA. Most of it occurred in Q1 and Q2. Ever since, it has been flat. But we are pounding on that roughly $500 level. You can see here pounding, pounding, pounding. The green uptrend needs to hold. If that doesn't hold, 2024 will be a massacre, I think, for NVIDIA. Again, if we break to the upside potential could be a double. And it sounds insane, but it is what it is. OIH. Where are we in time here? 2023. We are basically zero, basically flat. Again, we have broken down from our green uptrend and now retesting. So let's see what happens for 2024. Bullish if we get back above, bearish if we go down here. Then we breaking down, I think we will see 200 during 2024, and that will be a great entry. XOP, huge, big inverted head and shoulders, still very much in the making. Here it goes back 10 years. Neckline, yes. And what happened in 2024? 2023. Let's see where we are in time. We are roughly here. So we are up 5%. Okay, nothing big. But again, oil didn't do well. So, but we did break out here. Now we're back below. But you could argue a bull flag is made right here. Getting below the neckline or that golden trend line here is very bearish. If we do that for 2024, getting below would be not so ideal. POTX here down big, I think. I haven't done the measured move. Roughly here down 50%. But the price action somewhat constructive here, breaking out, deep retest again, but now we're in a bear flag. So it's a bit iffy, but definitely this was a very good try here for POTX. And again, maybe during 2024, we will complete an inverted head and shoulders to some degree, and then we will go higher. But again, that's just, I wouldn't say wishful thinking, but that could be a setup here. SOXX, which is the semiconductors performance 2023. Let's look at the scoreboard. Up 70%, stunningly strong, and above all-time highs here as we speak. If this is just a peak above, then that, and we come down again, then there should be a big warning. Again, you have the channel here that is obviously the main focus, but definitely we are above, so that's very, very bullish as we speak for the semiconductors, which is a part of tech, I guess. TAN, solar, you can see here, 2020 high, holding here. We have a 1, 2, 3 impulse lower lows in a bull flag, beautiful. Looks really, really promising. I think we will attack this once here, but I don't think we'll break it during 2024. I think that will be maybe early 2025, but definitely when it breaks, big entry. The scoreboard for TAN is down 35. We were actually down 50 at one point in time, but now only 35. So XLE, mainly oil and gas. XLE, I think it's flat. Shouldn't it be flat roughly? Yeah, it's basically flat for 2023. We've just the past 2 weeks broken that very small squeeze there. So hopefully that is, the fourth go or fifth, depending on how you want to count it, at that big resistance there. If we get there, that would be hugely bullish for oil and gas. If we can break 94. XLF Financials made a huge statement. Huge statements, but first let's see where we are in time. We are up actually 6%, but this statement right here very big. I do think you shouldn't be buying here, but definitely buying pullbacks is, you know, the best entry. Stop loss below that lower bad boy there, but definitely financial did very well. Again, it was helped by lower when the rates went down, their bond value went up on their books. XLRE, real estate, huge statement here as well. Should you be a buyer here? No, not in my view. You're buying down here if you want to have an entry, but definitely that breakout was a big statement. The scoreboard for 2023 is flat for the year, no gains at all. Maybe a bit, but yeah, maybe 5% depending on when you measure. XME, metals and mining, beautiful statement here. This was a bit of a scare, iffy head and shoulders in the making, but broke out and we are now making higher highs. So beautiful. Metals and mining 2024 looks fantastic. And how did it perform during the year? We are up 12%. That's actually quite decent, taking all things in consideration with regarding to gold and silver. So COPEX, copper miners, where are you? Scoreboard 2023 is down 10%. However, in my view, if copper gets above $4 per pound, or whatever it is measured in, hugely bullish for 2024. But yeah, let's see. This is just a big range bound. You don't know exactly what's going on. So SPX at all-time highs. So possible double top in the making here. The scoreboard is there it is. Wow, 23% in 1 year. Who would have thought, right? But anyways, that is a big move, big move for the SP 500. Nasdaq, same thing, at all-time highs. But where are we from a? Sorry, we are up 50%. That was the start of the year. This is the close. That is massive. Wow. Fan, good old fan. I think we need to zoom out here quite a bit just to get the lines on. Where are we? If we go to the boom, there we are. We are down 10%. We were actually down 30%, but we called this buy here at that horizontal at the double support, and we are up 20% ever since. And definitely this is some sort of, you know, sideways stuff here going on. So again, 2024, if we start to get into these levels, could be very rewarding for fan. Last but not least, hydrogen getting killed across the board, down 50%. It was actually down 60 at some point in time. But you know, this one here at some point in time should resolve to the upside, and then you'll have some basing and then go high. So I'm in 2025, I don't think we will see any big gains. I think we will break the downtrend and then we will go sideways for some time. But 2025, definitely, I think we could enter a stage 2 uptrend for hydrogen. That is it. That is the very brief, quick summary of how the ETFs has performed 2023. Again, 2024 for some of them looks fantastically good. So let's see if it holds fruition. We will know in like a few days' time when it all starts 2024. As always, guys, if you like what I do, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, we will see you in the next one, guys. Have a great new year if we don't speak. And yeah, bye, guys. Cheers.